Look up, y'all. So I'm up here on this roof. Just got done changing out the Dutch detector's RTU unit. So it is 87 degrees, so it's not that high. It's not that bad. Keep in mind, I'm in Dallas, but it's actually feel good up there. So on my way back down to ground level. I'm on this big old warehouse roof, y'all. Changing out the Dutch detector. That is my Thursday. What y'all doing? What y'all doing this Thursday? What y'all got going on? Oh, don't forget. Go check out my website, y'all. Go check out my website. joinmilton.info. Go check it out. joinmilton.info. I'll have the link on the bottom. I'll have it all up here. I'll let you later.